It's very important for the people to take a stand and hold him accountable.
Tony Ramsick is among many who went to Frankfurt last month to protest Governor Andy Beshear's restrictions during the COVID-19 outbreak. Now, he's among 4 plaintiffs suing the governor, alleging restrictions on mass gatherings at the Capitol go too far.
It's not that there are no restrictions ever upon those First Amendment rights. You, as a governor or the legislature, they can restrict those, but you can't restrict them absolutely.
Protesters point to federal judges' rulings against restrictions on travel and church services, and they've hired the same law firm that handled those cases. We talked to 2 experts who say the judge will have to consider a variety of factors in this case.
There's a genuine question about whether these restrictions, in terms of telling them where they had to protest, the means by which they had to protest, either on the parking garage or in cars, that there is a substantial question there whether there were other less restrictive means available.
Governor Beshear says the restrictions were necessary because most protesters were not socially distancing or wearing masks.
We need to really remember that the governor's order and any restrictions don't appear to be based on the content of the speech or the actions that are being prohibited or restricted, rather than on the risk posed by the crowd. There's no right to peaceful protest that ends when you risk injury or death of third party.
Mark Vanderoff, WLKY News.